Hi there, this is Kieran Oversapian for Filmstorm, and welcome back in setting up our motion matching system. And in this part we're going to have a look at the AnimGraph and see how this side of it functions, and setting up our motion matching node, which is the main node which holds all of our data. So if you right mouse click and type in Filmstorm, we have our Filmstorm motion matching. Ew. And if we click that and you bring it out, it's exactly the same between them. So all you need to do is grab your root prediction data, we're going to get it, and you're going to plug it into your input direction. And if you have lots of different ones, say if you have the climbing one, you'd have your own climbing node, so you'd make another node. So yeah, in this case, this is our locomotion. So this is just going to be our walking around and stuff. So the next one you'd have is then you'd create you could pretty much just duplicate this. You grab another input data, which might be your up and down input data. So you grab that, plug it in there, and then you'd set up which node you want to play from, the animation analyzer. Or if you need to create another one, you can quickly create it through here. And then you can set up how fast you want the reaction speed to be. You can set up the blend time and the time between blends. And then you can then create the cache. So cache, new cache save. So you can then rename it to, say, climb up and down as an example. So then you have that there. You can say, okay, we have this plugged in here. That's all looking dandy. You come over to your motion matching system. You can create a new state. Let's just call it up and down. And we can then go up and down. You can say use cache pose. And you can plug that cache pose into here, and that's all you need to do. You can then set up all the transitions exactly the same as you would in any of the animation tutorials, and that's basically how the motion matching system all interconnects with each other. And you can just go and build layers. You can have this, and then you can have another layer. You can then put layered blend per bone, so that way you can even have additional IK on top of everything, so you can even have the guy's head turning even more to look around while he's dynamically blending between all of these different movements. So the system is very flexible in that respect. You can basically set it up and turn off and on when you want. You can have your cutscenes, so that way you can have the animation playing up to that point, and then you can cut to your cutscene and then cut back to your nice animation system. So basically that is how the AnimGraph all interconnects with our motion matching system.